Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this week we are going to do personal maintenance at home, and I'm going to do my hair, my nails, my toes, possibly pull out some hairs from the armpits brick by brick, one by one. I'm kidding, but possibly I'll do that depending on how tired I am or not. My nails have really grown out. This is probably a month and a half or a month, I'm not really sure. Maybe a month and a half. This is the left hand. The right hand, as you can see, they have broken. I have trimmed them. They have chipped. This, like, the thumb is like, look at the difference. This, I also trimmed this one, but this is like crushed all the way down. I have already set the table. I like to wet some napkins to put on a towel, so these ones will catch the fly away dust as I file my nails. So I have a builder gel on my nails, so I'm going to use acetone this time to soak them off because they have really outgrown. Last time when I did this, I didn't have to like soak it off. I just like filed off the nail color that I had and just added another layer of builder gel. But seeing that these have like really in bad shape, I'm going to take it all out, do a fresh set, and hopefully next time I will do my nails sooner. I like to transfer that into this so that like I can easily like just pump it out, and I have another wet towel just on the side in case I need to like wipe off something. All that is done. It's not a very quick process. Like I had to like even take out the acetone, scrape off, and then put it back on again, like about like twice or three times for other nails. As you can see, the builder actually helps the nails grow. This other hand, this is my dominant hand, and it's this is my dominant hand, and these three fingers actually are the most used, or like touching things. As you can see, the pinky and the ring finger on this one, they're also long as these ones. So I don't know if I should actually trim all of them and like start over, but I guess that's what I'm going to do. So now to filing, soft filing, and then we do the builder and the polish. Tough decision, but I think because these ones are like really broken, I'm gonna have to trim these ones and also these ones, but these ones were growing so well. Look at them, like look at them, they look like little Frenchies. Anyways, we're ready to apply the builder. These are builders that I have from if it's iMaily or aMaily, whatever it is. So this is the builder, these are the builders that I have. So what I do with all like the nail polishes I have, not all of them, but the ones that I use often, is I actually, when I get them, I paint it on paper and write the numbers. So when I am applying to my nails, I do not have to, like, you know, think really hard. I already see them and I already know which number I'm going to pick. It's kind of like if you go to the nail salon, they already have those painted nails. These are the builders that I have. I try to use the ones I don't like a lot, like this one. I tend to use this one a lot so that, like, I can finish it. But I think that's a scarcity mentality, like when we used to, like, you know, have a Sunday best dress, or have the, as an African, have utensils for when you have visitors. I don't know, but I was thinking that someday I'd want to, like, apply this and, like, you know, just wear it by itself with the color. But this is actually a lot, so maybe this should be a lesson to myself to let go of the scarcity mentality. So I'm going to use one of my favorites. I'm going to use the 164. It's interesting how just listening to you talk can actually teach you a lot of things. Anyway, so we're going to go with 164. Let's find the 164. Looks like it's been peeling. And the idea of a wet napkin actually helps me a lot. As you saw, it was like collecting a lot of dirt. I don't, why is this like that? It was spilling. I honestly don't feel like I want to handle that mess. So the next favorite one was 165. Let's get 165. This one. I don't want my fingers to be sticky while I'm doing this. So I'm going to apply this, and the nail polish that I had before was this one. So it's from these packages. It's the Gelen, if you call it Gelen, I don't know. It's from these packages, and let me show you. I like to return things in order when I'm done, so forget the boxes, but I like to return things in order. The one I had was from this package, I think. It's the 816. That's the one I had before, but today I want to do the 021. This one. I've seen a lot of people doing this red. But if you'd ask me, I'd wear the red again. I'd wear the bright red again, or even pink, like the pinks. I've done these ones before, like in the summer. But anyway, so we're doing 021, which is going to be in this package. Let's find it. I like to do my right hand before I do my left hand, because I don't want to get tired. Because I'm right-handed, I don't want to get tired when I'm doing my left hand. I can be tired and still do my left hand, but if I'm tired, it's going to be like really hard for me to do my right hand. I saw some people using clips to help you like hold your finger down to paint. I tried it, it hurts, but maybe if it can help me, then maybe I should do this so that like I'm not struggling. Always start with the middle finger. Oh, that pinches. I'm doing 3 layers because I have my nails are thin. For the rest, I'm going to do all at the same time. No, 021 is a red. It looks darker here, but I think I should do the 038. I don't think you can kind of see the thing, but I should do 038. So how do I wipe this off? I will leave it like that and then put the 38 on top on the second round.
Is it recording? Move closer. Are you gonna? Oh, that's actually a nice color.
As you can see, the builder by itself, it's like really pretty. It's like a really nice pink. Just wanted to show you before I painted this. I was even thinking I should have just done that and left it like that, but I've been craving this color as well, even if it's not like the exact color that I wanted, but it is dark enough. But look at this, like look at that. Anyway, next time I'm definitely doing this one. So I decided to do the red, one layer of the red and 2 layers of the plum to achieve this. Even this red is like really pretty. Like, I don't know if you can see, my camera looks a little yellow since I was just coming out of a red. As much as I was tempted to leave it like this, but next time for sure I'm leaving just the builder, and maybe next time for sure I'll leave just the red. So this is how the nails turned out. Sometimes it's really hard to believe that you know, my nails can be like this, because this is all my nails, and I even cut like half of the growth off, like I cut a big chunk off. But look at that, it's decent, looks really good to me. And there's a lot of like roughness around, like there's nail polish around the nail, but after like I wash my hands, do dishes a few times, it's going to be like gone. Okay.